Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. Be careful when removing the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached. Take out the back cover and then remove the logic board cover by undoing 7 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug and free the fingerprint bracket, and then disconnect the fingerprint plug. Now the back cover can be fully separated from the phone's body. Next, take out the not working front camera from the logic board. The camera location is in the top center. Next, take out the not working macro and depth cameras from the logic board. To remove the white camera, the logic board must be taken out from the board. Next, disconnect the LCD plug from the board and then undo the screw holding the board. And also can unplug both antenna heads or leave them as it is. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body. Next, gently flip the logic board using a tweezer. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working main white camera from the logic board. Next, place and secure the new white camera into the board. Next, secure the logic board in the body and then connect the LCD plug and antenna head if you have disconnected. Finally, secure the logic board by adding the screw. Next, place and secure the new macro and depth cameras into the board. Next, Secure the new front camera on the board. Next, secure the fingerprint plug and the bracket. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the logic board cover by adding 7 screws. Next, before closing the device, always turn on the device for testing. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clips securely. Also, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.